wish I could. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful, and you know for you I put myself here. For you I put myself. Look at the stars, look at the stars.